Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the scholastical scholarship and bursary. Scholastical scholarship and bursaries. This scholarship is powered by the NLNG. It's powered by the NLNG 2024 NLNG Undergraduate Scholarship Scheme / NLNG 2024 Undergraduate Scholarship Award for Nigeria students. You can see that, guys. It's powered by the NLNG. So let's quickly go to the overview. In line with its dedication to educate and human capital development, NLNG invites applications from first-year students in the 2024-2025 academic section for the 2024 Undergraduate Scholarship Award. This initiative is designed to support exceptional first-year students in 2024-2025 academic section in Nigeria universities, equipping them with the resource to excel academically and contribute to national development. NLNG is committed to fostering an inclusive scholarship program and encourages applications from all eligible students, including persons living with disabilities. You can see that, guys, in the overview. Let's quickly go to the requirements and eligibility. Must be a citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and currently residing in the country. Must be currently enrolled as a full-time first-year student in 2024-2025 academic section in an undergraduate program at an accredited Nigerian federal or state-owned university. Must possess at least 5 O-level credits, including maths and English, in WAEC, SSCE, or NECO, or in one sitting. Yes, you must have maths and English in WAEC, SSCE, or NECO in one sitting, guys. Must be between 18 and 25 years old at the time of application. Must not be a beneficiary of any other scholarship, bursary, or grant from any other organization. Must not be a spouse, child, ward, or direct relation of staff to NLNG. Let's quickly go to how to apply, guys. You are to apply using your registered email address and mobile number. Ensure you have clear scanned copies of the following document for upload. 1. Passport photograph with white background, not more than 3 months old. Look at the side of the passport photograph. You can see that, guys. Number 2 is O-level and UTME result. You scan your O-level and UTME results. University and JAM admission letter. You have to also scan that and send. University student ID card. You have to also scan that and send. National Population Commission issue best, that's your birth certificate. You have to also scan that and send. Local government area letter of identification, that's your state of origin identification. If you have that, you have to also scan that and send. State of origin identification certificate, if you have that, just scan that and send there. Your NIN, national ID number, your NIN slip, you have to also scan that and send. Ensure the documents are named according to what they represent to avoid mixing up documents. You hear that, guys? Ensure you attach the appropriate documents when asked to upload. You understand? Ensure you attach the appropriate when asked to upload. To apply, follow the step below. Click on register to create an account using your email address. Proceed to your email box to activate your account. Enter your registered email and password to upload your information. Enter your personal information, educational information, other information, and upload required scanned documents. Ensure the name used in application matches the name in all documents in same order. You hear, guys? You hear that, guys? In same order, it must match. Ensure you view all documents after uploading to eliminate errors during uploading. Yes. When asked to upload photo, upload a passport photograph with a white background. Recheck application information to avoid error. Look at the link here to return to the application site. Click apply now to submit information. You will receive an email that confirms your application was successful. Take note, guys. Take note of the following, guys. It is important that you should create unique scholarship accounts using your personal email. Create a unique scholarship account using your personal email. Do not use an email that is not yours or belongs to someone else to create an account, even if the person is a sibling or relative. That is it, guys. Do not use somebody else's email. Use your own personal email. Do not use someone else's scholarship account for this record update. So those are the do's and don'ts of the scholarship. So let's go to contact info. You can also contact them for inquiry. For further inquiry, call. You get it, call. So email, you can also send an email, follow them on Twitter, just you can also like them on Facebook and ask questions. This scholarship, guys, is worth 300,000 naira. This scholarship is worth 300,000 naira, guys. Yes, I have done my research already. We've called them, I will send them an email, and they told us the scholarship is worth 300,000 naira for any Nigerian first year student. And I think that even though you're not in the first year students, you are just starting your second year, I think you can also apply for this scholarship. If you are starting your second year, I think you can also apply for your scholarship. Just get the result of your first year and just put in an application, guys. You can never know, you can be selected. You can be selected, and once you are 18 and 25 years, you can be selected. And the scholarship worth is 300,000. Like I said, is worth 300,000 naira. So you can call to confirm information. You can send them an email to confirm everything. So now, once you are done doing all the research and you have read the requirement and eligibility, so you click on register. You click on register. When you click on register, to take you down to this page where you can put your email, your password, you confirm your password, your first name, your last name, your mobile number, you agree to the terms and conditions, that you register. Once you register, an email will be sent to you where you can continue with your application. I'll be dropping the link to this scholarship in the description of this video, guys. I'll be dropping the link to this scholarship in the description of this video. So just check the description of this video. You will see the link to apply. That is all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. That is all. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.